Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite Engineer Wang to give us a demonstration of how to correct thread the PP strip for small PP packaging machine. First of all, pay attention. Confirm that the arrow marked on the small PP strip roll is the same direction as the arrow on the protective cover. Lock the protective cover after loading the small PP strip roll. Tear off the self-adhesive stick on the PP tape roll after lock it, so that the small PP tape will not fall apart during the installation process. Below is the detailed installation process. Here we go. Just to let you know, during the threading process, the PP strip cannot be twisted. Okay. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.